Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video we're going to be unboxing. I've been dying to get into this, y'all don't even know, but let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna be unboxing the mystery bundle box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So if you'd like to see what I got in my box, then just please keep on watching. So the box that I got was the deluxe box. This box costs $70 and it's a value of $175. There were 3 boxes. There was a mini, premium, and deluxe. The mini was $20. It contained 3 items. Premium was $45. It contained 5 items, and then my box contains 10 items, which is really freaking exciting. And then the deluxe and the premium come with a very exclusive liquid lipstick that he will never ever make. It's like question mark. I haven't seen yet. I haven't seen anyone's unboxing of this because I wanted to be surprised. I don't want any spoilers or anything like that. But let's go ahead and get into the box. The weight of it, I mean, it doesn't feel super heavy, so I don't think I have like a palette or like a mirror or anything like that, because it feels like a not like a super decent weight, but it feels like maybe a couple pounds, nothing too crazy or like that. But let's go ahead and open it up. So this is what the box looks like. Oh my god, yeah, look at it. Okay, let's open up. Anticipation is killing y'all, isn't it? Okay, so the first thing that I see is this pop socket. I know he's been putting this in almost every mystery bundle, but this is what it looks like. This will actually definitely come in handy because sometimes the video wants my phone to sit, and sometimes I don't, you know, have to lay my phone against something, so that will definitely come in handy. Let's see what this. Oh, I got a straw. Oh my gosh. I'm actually drinking water right now, so I probably should wash it, but I'm gonna put it in right now. I was like really hoping and praying that I got a straw because I've been wanting his straws, and I was actually gonna buy the straws with this bundle, but I was like, nah, maybe I'll get the straws. But a little bit of taste of Jeffree Star, but we got a cute pink straw. I guess I should like leave this up for you guys. Okay. There's so much stuff. Ooh, we have a lip scrub and a peach popsicle. Ooh, everything, y'all, anything that has peach in it, I'm like obsessed. Let's go ahead and open it up. Actually, I'm just gonna like put the box right here, or just whatever. So let's open it up. Like seriously, I've been waiting to open this box up. Oh, it smells so good. I wish y'all can smell this. But this is what the inside looks like. It's just a standard lip scrub, and I love it's the standard baby pink, almost the same as my nails, but mine's are a little bit pinker. But this is what it looks like. It has all the holographic, which we love. Ooh, I got Mannequin. I actually have this liquid lipstick already, but I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Oh, it smells so good. But yeah, I have this liquid lipstick already. I have like almost all his liquid lipsticks, but this is what Mannequin looks like. It's a very true like nude color. And then if you guys aren't aware of Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks, they're so freaking comfortable on the lips. Like they last all freaking day long. I was wearing Anna Nicole and I was eating like spaghetti, and it did not, like, you know when you're eating and then you get that little line right here from the lipstick because your like lip touches your chin when you're opening your mouth, and I did not get that line. So if you guys haven't tried Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks, y'all need to try them. I'm like shaking because I'm like, I want to open everything. Ooh, we got a Supreme Frost. I actually have one Supreme Frost highlighter from him, and actually right here, let's flip it. I have Diamond Wet, and it's actually from his summer collection. This is like the most blinding highlight I've ever owned. I actually like to mix it with the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, and oh my gosh, this highlighter combination is just, it's freaking mind-blowing. Okay, so let's open it up. I think it's like a purple color. The name is Hypothermia. So I want to say it's a purple color. Ooh, it's like a duochrome. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's so pretty, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like right there in my hand. It is such a gorgeous color. So freaking pretty. This would be so pretty like going out at night, and then like just the lights, all of that just hits you on the cheek, and it's like, oh, it's gonna be so pretty. This would be a really gorgeous color to add on to the lid. I know these funky colors, they can be a little bit crazy, you know, adding onto your cheeks, but these are great as eyeshadow toppers. Okay, so that is one of the items that we got. So I'm actually gonna save the actual what's it called, the mystery liquid lipstick for the very last, because I actually want to try it on. He said it's not a crazy liquid lipstick. He said it's very wearable and all of that, so I'm actually really excited about that. Oh my gosh, so I got another liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Poinsettia. I actually wanted this liquid lipstick, but I never got the chance to buying it. Oh, it's so gorgeous. It's like this like metallic red chromey color. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be perfect for the fall time. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous, guys. Does it smell? This one doesn't smell, but what was the shade that I got? Mannequin. Mannequin smells like I forgot what those candies are. Bottle tops. They smell like bottle tops. Okay, so that is Poinsettia. It is a gorgeous red color. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be the perfect shade for the whole time. Okay, next shade we have is another liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Diva. And this is like a pretty like hot pink shade. I believe this is from his family collection. I did not get any of the family shades. The only shade that I got, I believe, was Nathan. And this is like a hot, hot, hot pink color. Oh, it's gorgeous. So that right there is the shade Diva. So I've kind of noticed I got a lot of liquid lipsticks. I think it's a pretty good variation. I would have liked to maybe get like a bullet, like an ammunition lipstick, but that's okay. Ooh. Okay, so next product is a Velour Lip Liner, which I don't have any of his Velour Lip Liners. I don't know, I just never really been into lip liners until like recently, so I think that's maybe why, but I got in the shade Dominatrix. But I love the packaging on it. It's so gorgeous. It's so unique. This is the top of the lip liner, and then this is the cover that looks like. But like I said, I have this shade. I believe I have it in the liquid lipstick. I believe it's one of the first shades that I bought when I was introduced to Jeffree Star products. Very nice, very pigmented. It's like a very like browny purpley color, so it'll be very perfect for the fall time. And then our next product before we get the question mark liquid lip, I did get a shirt. I don't want any of Jeffree Star's like what is it, merch. There we go. I was gonna say apparel. Merch is the right word to put it, but I don't want any of it. But I just got this basic. It's really cute. Oh, it says hi, how are ya? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it. It has the Jeffree Star logo. I hope you guys can see that. On the back again, it says hi, how are ya? I love it. I freaking love it. I love that it's black. Oh my god, I love it. I'm probably gonna wear this sometime this weekend. Let's go ahead and open the question mark liquid lipstick. Okay, so this is what the color looks like. It's very the same color for his summer collection. I'm wondering if this was supposed to be meant for his summer collection and he wanted to do summer bundles, so he just added the ones all in there. But like I said, if you got the deluxe or the box below it, I can't remember the name. I know those boxes went out very fast, so let's see what it looks like. I actually want to try it on. Oh, this is a really pretty color. Okay, I'm not gonna let you guys see it. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on first. Alrighty guys, are you guys ready to see the new exclusive liquid lipstick? Alrighty, we're gonna do a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. What do you guys think? It is a really pretty color. Now, I don't know if everyone's gonna enjoy this color. It is a very pinky pinky color, but I definitely like it. It gives me a lot of like very Barbie vibes. It's a very perfect like summer springy color. You probably can make it a little bit deeper if you put something on top of it for like maybe the fall time, but this is a very like Barbie pink color. Like if you're really not into these colors, you may not like this, but please don't break the bank, because I'm pretty sure people are probably going to be selling these and, you know, not pay your rent because you want to get this liquid lipstick. I'm the type of person that kind of likes almost every liquid lipstick. I like pinks, I've done blues, I do purples. I kind of stay away from green colors, but pretty much every other color I really do like. This type of color is a shade that I don't think I would wear it every single day in my preference. It's definitely a color that I feel like I have to wear with a certain outfit, or I'm just really wanting like a really like funky and bright color. Like this would be a really fun color to like go out. And everyone will be like, oh my god, like your liquid lipstick, and it's like, girl, like this is limited edition. You ain't gonna find this anywhere unless you find it on Poshmark for like $100, which I guarantee you probably will find. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about these mystery boxes. Do you think they're worth it? Are they like a waste of money? All of that. Now my thoughts, I'm actually really excited because there are, like I said, I only have 2 of the products that were actually in the box, and it was Mannequin, and actually I'm sorry, there's only one product in the box that I already had. Yes, right? Yes, so there was only one product in the box that I previously had, so I'm actually really excited about that. Like I said, I have a lot of Jeffree Star products. Pretty much everything else I do not have. Like I said, I really wanted the Metasol, and I got it. So really excited about that. But the only thing that I'm noticing is that the straw was supposed to come with a cleaning brush. Is the cleaning brush in here? So I guess I am missing the brush part that's supposed to clean it. Maybe it's stuck in the box somewhere, but I am missing that. Maybe it kind of slipped out, or maybe it's stuck in the papers. I'll take a look, but other than that, I have everything that's in the box. These are all the 10 items. What do you guys think about this mystery box? Do you think it was worth the money? Is it like a gimmick? Is it just products that are just like lame and you just don't even care for? Like I said, I haven't checked out anyone's videos that have done these unboxings, so I have no idea what other boxes are kind of looking like, if they're all about the same, maybe a little bit different variation. The metal straw, if you guys did get the brush, let me know. I didn't get it in my box, so maybe it kind of slipped out, or maybe it's somewhere stuck in the tissues, but I did not get that, but it's fine, no big deal. Also, let me know about you guys' thoughts about this question mark liquid lipstick. Do you guys think it was like worth the hype? I'm kind of like 50-50 on it. I do have some liquid lipsticks that are kind of like this by him and other brands that I have, so it wasn't something, I guess I was just really excited because I was like, if I get this box, I'm gonna get this cool liquid lipstick. And honestly, I really thought it was gonna be some crazy freaking color like a pastel blue or like purple or something like that, but it's still a pretty bold color. I think that if you do like really pinky colors and you did get the 2 boxes that come with it, I think you'll really enjoy it. But if it's something that you don't like, then you might not get some wear out of it. But let me know what you guys think. That completes today's video. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye guys.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up.